Hi everybody. Hard to believe we're back to recording videos and doing online learning again, but here we are. So I hope you're all doing okay. I just wanted to run through the lesson plan that I sent you in the email last night. I have set up Teams meetings. If you do get to the point where you're comfortable using Teams, I know you may have laptops at home, you may not, but please do look at your LMETB email. I have sent you an email with a couple of questions that I'd like you to answer. I just want to see, is it feasible for you guys to log on at the normal time that we'd have class? I fully appreciate that you have children at home that are being homeschooled. I'm in the same position myself. So what we're going to do is try and go online as much as possible. But if it's not possible, we will do the same as we did last time. I'll record these videos for you and work through the lesson plan that I'm sending you each week. Okay. So for this week, what I wanted you to do is this class has some reading and comprehension of a short news article. It's got some grammar, past, present and future tense practice, and then a word search which is related to the news article that we're going to look at, and will lead on to some of the environmental discussions that we had last term. Okay, they're all relevant to your portfolio. So the first thing that I want you to do there, if you can see in number 1, okay, this is the News and Levels application that we downloaded on our phones. Do you remember this icon? So I have it here on my phone as well. I'll just show you quickly. I'll turn the phone around in a moment so you can see it, don't worry. Okay, so I don't know if you can see there, it's that icon there on the, where are we going there? News and Levels, okay? If you click on that or you go to this link here that I'm highlighting with the cursor on a laptop or PC, it'll bring you to the news article that, or to a list of news articles that I'd like you to have a look at. If you have difficulty finding the article online, it is attached in the second page of this document, and I'll just scroll down so you can see where I'm talking about. So this is it here. Okay, Croatia earthquake, and it's the level 2 version, and this is what I'm going to ask you to read. So it is here in the document that you have in your email, but if you want to look at it online, it is also online. Okay, let's just go into it here on the laptop. So I'm going to click control and click that, and hopefully it'll open up. You should be able to see it in a moment. You can also go into it on your phone if you want, okay? When it opens up, I'll just let that work away there in the background. Hopefully it'll open up. When it opens up, I want you to scroll down to the story called Croatia earthquake, which is what I showed you further down in the document a minute ago, and go to the level 2 version, okay? And then I want you to read the news story and answer the following questions. And it's important that you use full sentences for your answers, okay? The first one is done for you. So the first question is A here. When did the earthquake hit Croatia? So the answer I want is the earthquake hit Croatia on Tuesday. Now, I don't want to just see Tuesday in the answer. I want you to write a full sentence, okay? And that includes your capital letters, your full stops, and your capital letters, you know, for the days of the week, for countries, as well as the ones at the beginning of the sentence. All right? Okay, so you can see there are a couple more questions there. You've got B, C, D, E, and F. So I want you to look at those questions, make sure you understand them. You can send me an email if there's anything that you don't understand, and try and give those questions a shot. So try and answer all of those questions based on the information in the article. Okay. The other thing that I want you to do is look at the difficult words. They're highlighted in the article. So we have epicenter, there's one, magnitude, and evacuate. Okay. Just to note, epicenter is given with the American spelling in the article. So you can see it's E-P-I-C-E-N-T-E-R. That's American English, okay? We spell it E-P-I-C-E-N-T-R-E, English spelling, okay? So the meaning of these words is given beside them as in the article. Use your dictionary or your online dictionary, if you remember doing that, to read about the word magnitude. So I want you to find the word magnitude in the dictionary, okay? And to find two other words that mean the same thing as magnitude and write down what those are. Okay, that's the next part. I'm just going to do a little flick to see. No, it didn't open for me. It won't always open during these sessions. So you can always read it here if you can't actually open the article on your phone or on your laptop. Okay, so just to remind you, epicenter, magnitude, and evacuate are all highlighted, and then down here the difficult words, it gives you the meaning of each of those words. Okay, so I want you to find two other words to describe what magnitude means. Okay, the next part that I want you to look at is this is some grammar. Okay, so we're talking about past tense, present tense, and future tense. So in the article, it says that the earthquake damaged most buildings there. So this sentence is written in the past tense. Okay, yesterday the earthquake damaged buildings. That's the past tense. So for yesterday or something that happened before today. Present tense, earthquakes damage buildings every day. Okay, that's the present tense. It's happening today. And then tomorrow the earthquake will damage buildings. That's the future tense. So it's something that will happen after today or in the future. Okay. So here's another example here. It's a little bit more familiar. You'll know this one. I brushed my teeth yesterday. That's the past tense. I brush my teeth every day. That's the present tense. And I will brush my teeth tomorrow. Future tense. So what I want you to do then in this table is to try to fill in the blanks for the examples given in the table below. Now, the first three lines are already done for you. Okay. I walked to school yesterday. That's the past tense. I walk to school every day. That's the present tense. And then I will walk to school tomorrow. Future tense. So the next one here is also done for you. I ran to school yesterday, if you really want to get to school. I run to school every day. And I will run to school tomorrow. I've just noticed that I don't have a full stop there. I should have a full stop at the end of day there. Okay. And again, this line is also done for you. I talked to my friend yesterday. That's the past tense. I talk to my friend every day. Present tense. And I will talk to my friend tomorrow. Future tense. So what I want you to do is fill in the gaps. Okay. So I wrote a shopping list yesterday. What will I do with my shopping list today? And what will I do with my shopping list tomorrow? Okay. You can see that this one is blank down here. You've got the present tense. I read the newspaper every day. So what did you do with the newspaper yesterday? And what will you do with it tomorrow? Okay. Next one is I made a cake yesterday. What will you do to make a cake today? What will you do tomorrow? I slept very well last night. Okay. What do you do every night? What will you do tomorrow night? And this one here, I wash my hands every day. So you're given the present tense here. I want you to fill in the past tense and the future tense. Okay. Any questions, like I say, just send me an email. It's no problem. And the last thing that we have here is a word search. Okay. The words are based on volcano activity. Okay. Or an earthquake. Okay. So you have aftershock, collapse, earthquake, hospital, strong, ambulance, damage, epicenter, magnitude. You've seen both of those in the article. Tremor, volcano, buildings, destroyed, evacuate, rescue, and tsunami. Okay, so I want you to try and find all of those words in the word search. Okay, so that is all of this week's lesson. We'll continue on this theme next week. Hopefully I will be talking to you either on the phone or on email in the next couple of days, and we'll see if we can go ahead with the meetings rather than doing videos and just email. But I understand it's difficult for everybody at the moment, so just try and have a look at your email. That's the main thing, because that's how we'll be communicating. Okay, thanks very much guys. Talk soon. Bye.